ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय सदानये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I don't know what to say. But first of all, I like to say thanks to all devotees, Vaishnav and Vaishnavis, who are on this path of bhakti and who are developing by hearing Hari Katha and by practicing every day. They're developing some attachment to Hari, Guru, and Vaishnavas, which is only the aim of our life. Shri Guru Charane Rati, Aise Utama Rati. The attachment to the lotus feet of Srila Gurudev is the best attachment. That's the aim of our life. Yasya deve parabhakti yatha deve tatha guru. Tasya kathitam artham prakashante mahatmana. So, all devotees, they gave me good wishes from their heart. And even though they all have different moods, different desires, or their way of expressing is different, I'm taking those words as blessings from all of you. I remember on the 100th appearance day of my Guru Maharaj, Nityalila Pravesh Om Vishnu Par Stotrashar, Shri Srimad Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, I was personally present, and Guru Maharaj was also personally present in this world. And we had Vyas Puja, 100th appearance day of Guru Maharaj. And Acharyas of other mats, they also came to offer their Pushpanjali at the lotus feet of Guru Maharaj to seek his blessing on his appearance day. And there is also one video on YouTube, if you all can see that. So, Guru Maharaj on that 100th Vyas Puja, getting worshipped by so many devotees, even acharyas of different mठ, with flowers, garlands, singing, and with their offerings by their words. And later, when Guru Maharaj spoke some Hari Katha, he was in tears. He expressed both the emotions of joy and emotions of tears. Feeling separation from his Guru Maharaj, Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, and from his dear godbrothers who left prior to him, Guru Maharaj was saying on that day, my Guru Maharaj Srila Prabhupada left this world, and my Gurudev, my godbrothers also left prior to me. I don't know why Mahaprabhu kept me in this world. For what reason? I don't understand. But everyone has left me and I'm alone here now. Who's going to protect me? Who's going to encourage me? Who's going to inspire me? So feeling that separation, feeling that pain, Guru Maharaj was expressing those emotions of separation with tears in his eyes. But he was expressing also some joy that all of you Vaishnavas, you assemble today on, on the pretext of celebrating my appearance day in this material world. I'm joyous to see, to have darshan of so many Vaishnavas assembled here. And I got this opportunity to have darshan of all of you to purify myself. And I'm getting this opportunity with all my devotees, with all my disciples to serve all of you. Imagine Guru Maharaj, 100 years old, Ma Bhagavad present on this planet Earth, and all others. Maybe there were 2, 3 of Guru Maharaj God brothers present there. Shri Bhakti Kumud Sant Goswami Maharaj came there, and some other God brothers of Guru Maharaj came there. But most of the devotees are second generation, means disciples of Guru Maharaj. In that generation, disciples of his God brothers. Guru Maharaj expressed the joy of having darshan, saying, "Darshane pavitra karo ei tomar gun. जगाए मदाई हाइते मुझ से पापिष्ट पूरी ते कीत हैसे मुझ से लागिष्ट." Who said this? On the appearance day of Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, when his Vyas Puja, his appearance day was being celebrated with so much joy by all his disciples, and he was offered so many garlands on his neck and flowers at his lotus feet. Srila Prabhupada accepted those offerings, but when he was speaking Harikatha, he started Harikatha by this Mangalacharan invocation, saying, "Jagai madai haite muisse papisht, puri se कीत हैसे मुझसे लागिष्ट, मोर नाम सुने जय तार पुण्य है, तार पुण्य खय, मोर नाम ले जय तार पाप है, एमन निर्घन मोरे केबा कृपा करे, एक नित्यम बिना जगत बितारे." Srila Prabhupada said, "I am accepting offerings from all of you on my Vyas Puja day, but actually, what is my understanding of myself? I want to take shelter of Shri Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, who wrote Chaitanya Chaitamrit. He is my Guru Varga. He is my Shiksha Guru. And what he expressed, Jagai Madai Haite Muise Papi. I am more sinful than Jagai and Madai. I am more sinful. Puri se ki haise muise lagisht. I am more lowly than a worm in a stool. Anyone who utters my name, all his pious deeds will go in vain. And anyone who hears my name will occur sinful reactions. Even Nirghan More, I am so lowly. Keva Kripa Kore. Who will bless me? Who will show compassion on me? I don't see anyone else except Shri Nityanand Prabhu." because he's the savior of the fallen, and I'm the most fallen. This is what Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying. Guru Maharaj expressing this joy of having darshan of so many Vaishnavas, even on the pretext of having his Vyasa Puja, his appearance day celebration. One thing more Guru Maharaj said, and he was in tears and he made everyone cry there. Guru Maharaj was not just artificially just saying like an etiquette we have to show humility, but no, Guru Maharaj was ideal of humility. We can't imitate him. If I'm imitating Guru Maharaj, that's called imitation. This is called adhikar bhed. My adhikar, my qualification is different. It cannot be in line with the qualification of Guru Maharaj. I mean his adhikar. Therefore, I artificially cannot imitate him. We artificially cannot imitate him because he is in a different level, he's in a different domain. But we can at least follow him. I say even artificially following Acharya. When I say artificially, it doesn't mean fake. I want to say even the imitation of Acharyas is for our welfare, is for our good. Because all of their activities are always righteous and devotional and dedicated ones. So even we imitate them, there is no harm. Imitating like how Guru Maharaj is chanting, imitating how he's celebrating his Guru Maharaj appearance day. So I saw Guru Maharaj was in tears by saying that I'm little satisfied by seeing that all of you have assembled here and offering flowers to my Prabhupada and Prabhupada picture and Bhaktivinoda Thakur picture. Two big pictures were just right behind Guru Maharaj. You all came here, assembled here to give me blessings and you offer flowers to my most worshipable Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada and Bhaktivinoda Thakur. They are my masters and I am their dog. Guru Maharaj said this. Amitar Kukur, Guru Maharaj said. I'm their dog. So when you offer any garland and flower to master, the dog is just sitting right at the lotus feet of the master. When you offer flowers to master, it falls on the feet. Guru Maharaj said, in this way, I'm benefited by all of you because you offered your flowers to you offer your flowers to my divine holy master. And I'm just sitting there as a dog at their lotus feet. And those flowers is falling on my head as their prasad. I'm glad and happy to receive these flowers of my masters. As I am their dog. This is how Guru Maharaj expressed his true emotions, his feelings on the day of his appearance day. I remember Guru Maharaj on this day. Because even though, to be very straightforward, devotees, they follow their birthdays. Or in a very good word, we say appearance day. But actually, according to Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, Actually, appearance day, birthday is that day when we get initiation from our Guru Maharaj. That's actually birthday. We get twice, we get birth in one lifetime. One birth when our parents gives us birth. That's birthday. But when we get initiation from our Guru Maharaj, that's our second birth, which is spiritual birth, which is uh, all auspicious birth. Chakshudan dilo jai, janme janme Prabhu sei. Birth after birth, my Guru Maharaj is giving me this. What is giving me? The eyes, spiritual eyes to perceive spiritual uh, dealings, to understand the divine tattva of Hari, Guru, and Vaishnavas. But still, we see we do follow the appearance day of our Guru Maharaj, our Guru Dev, our Acharyas. But their saying is actually the true birth is when we get initiation on from our Guru Maharaj. But try to understand what Srila Maharaj wanted to say. All our Acharyas, our Guru Vargas, those who are our holy masters, actually their appearance on this world, in this world, is actually appearance day. And actually it's their birthday. But we are fallen souls. For us, the most important is the most important our birthday appearance is when we get initiation from our Gurudev. We can't compare ourselves with our acharyas. Actually, their appearance is actually appearance day. And our coming to this world, हमारे जीवन सदा पापे रहता, नाहि को पुण्य लेश. My life is full of sinful activities. There is no pious activities. Our life is sinful. Therefore, for us, the best appearance day is the day of our initiation. But for acharyas, actually when they appeared on this planet is appearance day. And that's why that appearance day is called Vyasa Puja. This is small little memory of Guru Maharaj. I was personally present. And Srila Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj on his Vyasa Puja day, on his birthday, Gurudev never wanted to celebrate this. I'm in America. I heard from devotees here, also from devotees from Holland. We heard. I was in Houston since yesterday. Till yesterday, I was in Houston. And I heard devotees were telling, Gurudev appearance day appeared. And devotees wanted to celebrate, and Gurudev didn't want it to come out. He don't like they worshipping me. He wanted to worship his Guru Vargas. So worship is not only restricted by just doing arati, offer flowers. That is there. No harm. And we are supposed to do this. But actual worship to Gurudev, to Guru Maharaj is when we, even not fully following their footsteps, at least we are trying our best, fighting with our senses, with our mind, and we are trying our best to follow his instruction and imbibe his lifestyle, how he have performed sadhan, bhajan. We can also do this. They are performing bhajan And we are struggling with sadhan, this difference. Sadhan, bhajan, not one and same thing. They are doing bhajan and we are doing sadhan, but actually not sadhan, we are struggling for sadhan. So devotees were telling me, Gurudev was so shy. He didn't want it to come out. But then, on the request of devotees, he came out from his room and he offered everything to his Guru Padma, his Guru Maharaj. And he explained how one is supposed to observe this. Another example, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. I was personally present on his Vyas Puja day. And that was in Chandigarh, in India. I explained this many times, but it's appropriate to mention this today. Remembering his lotus feet and his very high uh, concept. When so many devotees offering flowers, gardens, gifts, donations to him, Srila Maharaj was receiving this. He was holding all these donations and gifts, etc. We were standing next to him and we were collecting from his hands. Then in the last, Srila Maharaj spoke Harikatha. And I was so much moved by hearing his Harikatha. I'm just repeating the words for my benefit and the benefit of everyone. Srila Maharaj said, don't think I'm a fool, that I'm sitting on this chair and you're all coming and worshipping me, and I'm accepting all your gifts, all your offerings, all your donations, all your pranams, and all your garlands. I'm not here. I'm not sitting I'm not a fool sitting here. I have some intelligence. I have knowledge. So don't think I'm here to celebrate my Vyasa Puja, he said. I'm not that fool. I'm accepting all of this from all of you so that I can serve all of you. Because in spiritual domain, acceptance is service as giving is service. Giving is service and accepting is also service, he said. When any Vaishnava is giving you something, they are giving in the mood of service. But when you accepting, when you receiving that with a high concept, then you are also serving them. So he said, actually, I'm serving all of you by uh, accepting your donations and gifts as a blessings to me. This is the vision of our acharyas. I personally present also in the Vyas Puja of Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj. And he also said something similar to that. He emphasized on Abhideha, chanting Harinam. What is the best offering and gift you can give to your Gurudev? Of course, sweet words in his glorification. Uh, of course, some donation. Of course, some gifts, worship. But that's not enough. There is something more. Offering oneself, uh, participating in that yajna, what Gurudev is performing. He is the priest of that yajna. And we are just participating in the yajna, offering our oblations. Swaha. That's the best gift one can give. So taking Gurudev as a seriously, not as your friend, but as someone who is actually helping us in our spiritual path, is serious. He's not our friend. In one sense, yes, Adhama Patita Bandhu, Ami Patit, Kare More Kripa Sindhu. Adhama Patit Kare More is Kripa Sindhu. He's Adhama Patita Bandhu. He's the well-wisher. He's a friend, well-wisher of Adham, fallen, and uh, devoid of bhakti. In that sense, yes. But in dealings, no. In dealings, no. Therefore, even though we are grown up, we still act like babies. We don't even know we don't even know how to express our appreciation and our dedication to Gurudev. We don't even know. Even we have to learn that. What to speak of learning the practices. If Gurudev is right in front of me and I'm worshipping him on his Vyas Puja on his appearance day, am I qualified to worship to bless my Gurudev? I will say, Gurudev, I pray all Guru Parampara shower mercy on you. Oh my goodness. I will say this to my Gurudev. Oh Gurudev, I pray Mahaprabhu to bless you. You will pray Mahaprabhu to bless Gurudev. You will pray Guru Parampara to bless your Gurudev. This is like babies. Babies talk. Understand? We need to develop that maturity. Even to express, and even the words we choose to speak to him. Understand? He is merciful. He accepts everything and he understands everything. His Gurudev is not an ordinary person who don't understand what you want to express. He understands. Still, we have to be careful. Vande Guru Shi Charanar Vindam. Vande Mui Savadhana Mate. With utmost attention when the point comes to deal with him. With utmost attention. I remember I was standing with next to Gurudev and one lady disciple from Delhi of Srila Gurudev. Because sometimes Gurudev also used to joke and laugh. So disciples sometimes take very easy going. Oh, Gurudev started laughing and joking 1 hour. Oh, now he's my friend. And I can also treat him like a friend. She also started doing like this. Gurudev was laughing, joking, saying some Krishna Leela, saying some material things. I mean, the worldly affairs, expressing some jokes. So this lady, she came and said, Gurudev, you are Chaliya. You are like Krishna, Chaliya. You know Chaliya? No. She said, Gurudev, you are also, just like Krishna's devotee, you are also like that. Just like Krishna is liar and he's cheating everyone, yeah, you are also like that. You are same like Krishna. Gurudev heard this, and before that, he was very, joking, but when he heard this, he became very grave, and he looked towards her angrily. Gurudev said, "You don't even have etiquette to speak to your Gurudev? This is how you have to speak to your Gurudev? You have no etiquette? You can say to your Gurudev, you are like Krishna, like Krishna is like telling lies and cheating." Gurudev was so angry on her. Then she asked forgiveness. "Oh, Gurudev, sorry, sorry. I was joking with you." Gurudev said, I know, I fully understand. You respect me, you serve me, you give so much to me. I know this. Still, you have to be very careful. I can joke with you. You can't. I can say anything to you. And I like if someone is replying me back jokingly. But that reply has to be with Maryada, not giving up Maryada, not giving up that etiquette, especially when it is there to dealing with Gurudev, full of Maryada. So our Srila Gurudev, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj and Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, even though all acharyas are same, but they have their own speciality. Srila Gurudev used to joke sometimes with brahmacharis, sannyasis, grastas, but that's not our business to reply him back also with the same friendly mood as he. No, that's not etiquette. Okay. My Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Gosai Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Kumar Sant Gosai Maharaj, all these acharyas which I saw, they never used to joke. Always very grave. Ah. With my Guru Maharaj, I can't. Guru Maharaj, I cannot joke with them. But with Srila Gurudev, that's why I'm saying it's different specialities. Gurudev also used to, many times, calling by different names. Like I was in hospital when Srila Gurudev got surgery, and I was like attendant, serving him in a night shift, sleeping next to him. And Gurudev on a hospital bed, and I'm on a couch next to him, lying there. Gurudev used to say, "Don't sit, lie down, sleep. If you don't sleep, you'll fall sick. So many nights you're not sleeping." So I was like pretending I'm sleeping, but I'm lying down. I used to lie down there. And Gurudev used to sometimes, if I'm like, in a deep sleep, Gurudev used to call me. My name was Krishna Kripa, right? Gurudev used to say, "Hey Kripa, Kriparam." This is how. So sweetly, he used to call me. "Hey Kriparam, Kripa, get up." Then I'm, "Relax, relax, Shanti, Shanti." You see? But Gurudev can say this. Can I say like this to Gurudev? No. Can I even call out, reply back Gurudev like saying, "Yes, Narayan Maharaj"? It's so shameful to say like that. Mm. We can't say like this. Even Srila Gurudev was my Shiksha Guru. I can't even take his name. Not appropriate. I just said this because to express. Otherwise, Oh, never. He's joking whatever he say. And we used to reply him back by saying, yes, Gurudev, yes, Gurudev. And he likes to hear very good replies. That he's very fond of that. But that reply should be appropriate and with Maryada, not giving up Maryada. Uh, so seeing how uh, all our acharyas, they're sacrificing so much for us, teaching so much to us. I was very soon you get this audio book. I was reading Srila Bhakti Dayit Madhav Goswami Maharaj life history. And we heard personally from Srila Gurudev and from Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj how Srila Bhakti Dayit Madhav Goswami Maharaj used to celebrate his appearance day. Oh, we can't do like that. Otherwise, it's called imitation. On that day, he used to worship his Guru Maharaj. Then he used to uh, pay obeisances to his god brothers, worship them, offering garland with his own hands, giving cloths to them, giving donation to them, and garland to them, and sandalwood, chandan on their forehead, with his own hands, saying that saying that Vishnu and Vaishnavas are our worshipable. And if I've given a choice to whom to worship, if I want option, choose Vishnu or Vaishnav, then I will not choose Vishnu. I would rather choose Vaishnavas. That was his personality. I will choose Vaishnavas. Because I know by serving Vaishnavas and in the company of Vaishnavas, my life is successful. They are my protectors. So Srila Bhakti Dayit Madhav Goswami Maharaj used to like this. And Gurudev said in one of his videos that I've seen with my own eyes how Madhav Goswami Maharaj used to uh, follow his appearance day. How he used to worship, even worshipping disciples of his godmothers, sannyasis. With his own hands, he used to give them all these offerings. So that is the day of service, not to accept service, but to give service. Many more things to learn. Many more things to learn. But everyone have their own adhikar to understand. Some devotees learn very fast, some take little time. But as soon as we can adopt this, as soon as we can uh, attain our aim, and our aim is service to Hari, Guru, and Vaishnavas. So, serving Gurudev, I don't know how many devotees can understand this. And I did express many days back. Nowadays is different. How we used to take our Gurudev so seriously. So seriously. Even though we were practicing, we were not perfect. We are not perfect, we are practicing. But when the point comes to serve Gurudev or deal with him or speak to him, it's totally different nowadays. It's a different era and different generation. That kind of gravity, that kind of submissive nature, and ready to, to be with him all the time. No matter where we have to travel, no matter where we have to go, just forgetting everything else and running wherever he's going. Those days, how Gurudev, today on this day, I am remembering Gurudev, and I'm supposed to do this. Otherwise, I'm not disciple. One who has given me life. My life was useless. There was no meaning of my life. Just like an ordinary insect taking birth and dying. But all these acharyas, all Guru Vargas came in life and actually gave a life. Because life comes from life. They have life and they can give life. They have given life. They tolerated all of my nonsense. They tolerated all my mistakes and gave me a space to learn, to understand them more, more and more and more. But still I'm longing for that day. As we sing in songbook, the bhajan, Karuna na highway, Kandiya, Pran na rakhi voar. I'm waiting and longing for that day when actually this mood can develop in me and can reflect on in me, when actually I can say, Gurudev, Kripa Bindu Deya, Karo he dase tirna pekatihina. Karuna na haile kandiya. Gurudev, if I will not get your mercy, then I will cry. Prana na rakhi boar. I don't want to keep my life if I'm not able to get your mercy. As Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj said, that my Guru Maharaj, means Srila Bhakti Daita Madhav Goswami Maharaj, has served me 13 years and tolerated all the knots which was so strong in my heart, which was so difficult to cut. He cut those knots, and it took me 13 years to understand him. He served me. Srila Maharaj used to say, he served me. In that process of his serving me, I was understanding him. And then I got complete understanding. That's why even though we say, oh, I'm worshipping my Gurudev, I'm remembering my Gurudev, I'm serving my Gurudev, but still very immaturely and like babies. But we need to develop that maturity. My Gurudev has given me this life, a purpose of life, to serve Krishna, to understand the gravity of bhakti. Serving Krishna is very far, but serving Vaishnavas and serving Gurudev is right in front of us. His mission is in front of us. That's the life. That's the purpose of life. And this purpose will get more and more condensed year after year. More understanding. So I'm just trying to imitate, not showing any artificial humility to all devotees, but following the guidance, the instruction of Guru Maharaj, Srila Gurudev, Srila Maharaj, and all other acharyas. Even if you say this is imitation, I fully agree because I'm not qualified to surrender to them. Just imitating them, that I'm also very glad and happy that I got so many messages from so many devotees. That means they all remembered me and they wrote me. So when Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, when they're remembering me, what can be more auspicious than that? You all are chanting so much. You all are serving your respected Gurudevs. You're worshipping Krishna at home. And in that course of time, if even for 1 minute, if you remembered me and wrote to me some of your uh, blessings to me, then it's a matter of honor to me. I'm honored and I'm blessed by this. That's why my day is very successful day because more than 100 devotees remembered me today. That's why. Not take my words otherwise. Very seriously, I'm telling you. That's what I was thinking while I was chanting. So many devotees remembering me. That means it's a very auspicious day in my life. Yeah. So I'm trying my best to serve in any way I can. Just need more strength from my Guru Maharaj, from my Gurudev, my Diksha Guru, my Shiksha Gurudevs, so that I can, with that strength, I can able to serve all of you to the last breath of my life. This is what I wanted to convey and my offerings to my Guru Maharaj and to all the Vaishnavas. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। शिला गुरु महाराज की जय। शिला गुरुदेव की जय।